The cosmic question. For thousands of years, humanity has looked up at the stars and asked one question: are we alone? Every night, billions of suns shine across our galaxy. Statistically, there should be countless planets capable of supporting life, perhaps even civilizations far older than ours. Yet despite all the searching, listening, and waiting, we have found nothing. No signals, no contact, just silence. This is the Fermi Paradox, one of the greatest mysteries of science. If intelligent life is common, where is everyone? The numbers don't lie. The math seems undeniable. There are more than 200 billion stars in our galaxy, and most have planets. Many of those planets orbit in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions could allow liquid water and life. The Drake equation, created by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, tries to estimate how many intelligent civilizations might exist. Even with conservative numbers, it suggests there should be thousands, maybe millions of advanced societies. And yet, we've heard nothing. The silence isn't just strange, it's terrifying. The Fermi Paradox. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi was having lunch with colleagues when he suddenly asked, "Where is everybody?" It was a simple question that shook modern science. If life evolved here on Earth in just a few billion years, why hasn't it evolved everywhere else? And even if only a few civilizations reached the stars, they could have colonized the galaxy in a few million years. A blink in cosmic time, but there's no sign of them. No alien probes, no megastructures, no messages. This is the Great Silence. The Great Filter Theory. One of the most chilling explanations for this silence is called the Great Filter. It suggests that somewhere along the path from simple life to intelligent civilization, there's a barrier, something that almost no species can pass. Maybe life rarely starts. Maybe intelligent life destroys itself before reaching the stars. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence, or something else entirely. If the Great Filter lies ahead of us, humanity may be next. If it's behind us, we're a cosmic miracle. Either way, it means the universe is far emptier than we want to believe. The Dark Forest. Another terrifying idea comes from Chinese author Liu Cixin, the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter hiding among the trees. They stay silent, afraid to reveal themselves, because any other hunter might destroy them to survive. Maybe that's why we've heard nothing, because the galaxy is full of watchers, not talkers. And when someone makes noise, they disappear. Perhaps the Great Silence isn't emptiness, it's fear. The Zoo Hypothesis. But what if we are being watched? The Zoo Hypothesis suggests advanced civilizations know we exist, but deliberately avoid contact. Like humans observing animals in a nature reserve. They study us without interfering. It could explain UFO sightings, strange radio bursts, and ancient stories of sky gods. Maybe we're too primitive to join the galactic community. Maybe the universe is waiting for us to grow up. The signals that never spoke back. Over the decades, scientists have picked up mysterious signals that once seemed like alien messages. In 1977, astronomer Jerry Eman recorded a powerful 72-second radio burst from deep space. So unusual he wrote "wow" on the datasheet. It came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius and was never heard again. Other signals, like fast radio bursts or repeating pulses, have baffled astronomers. Most turn out to be natural, but a few remain unexplained. Every time a telescope detects one, hope flickers. Maybe this time the silence will end. The self-destruction hypothesis. Perhaps every civilization eventually creates the tools of its own destruction. When species reach technological maturity, they gain the power to change or end their world. War, pollution, artificial intelligence, biological collapse. The universe might be filled with dead worlds, each destroyed by its own brilliance. If that's true, the silence isn't a mystery. It's a warning. The rare Earth theory. Another possibility is that Earth really is special. Maybe life requires such a perfect combination of conditions, magnetic field, moon, plate tectonics, and chemical balance, that it almost never happens twice. Perhaps we're not the rule, we're the exception. And that's both comforting and terrifying. Because if we're alone, then everything, every memory, every story, every dream, exists nowhere else in the entire universe. The great silence. When we look into the night sky, we're not just seeing stars. We're seeing possibilities. Somewhere out there, maybe others once asked the same question. Are we alone? Maybe they found the answer. Maybe they didn't survive to share it. Or maybe they're still waiting for us to speak. Until then, the universe remains silent, not empty, but listening. Milky Way, this is the great silence of the universe. Milky Way, subscribe to Fact Storm for more mysteries that lie between science and the unknown.